Hello, my tenacious Taurus. The cards drawn for you for this full moon is the Five of Cups. The tarot depicts a figure cloaked in mourning, facing three spilled cups while two remain upright behind them. There is a sense of disappointment, regret, or focus on what feels lost, and the cards show that the energy of noticing what has gone wrong while sometimes missing what is still present. In your love life, this energy may highlight feeling lost, missed opportunities, or a focus on past disappointments. It is a nudge to notice the connections and the moments that still hold potential, rather than dwelling solely on what did not work. In career or work, the Five of Cups can signal setbacks or frustrations. Perhaps a project or a collaboration hasn't gone as expected. Instead of letting disappointment linger, reflect on what remains to be built on, and consider small, concrete steps to recover momentum. For your well-being, this card encourages a gentle detox from the emotional overload. Take time for yourself. A quiet walk, journaling, or simply allowing yourself to grieve briefly can help shift the perspective. Forgiveness is vital at this phase. Forgiveness for yourself as well as for others. Think of this as what's gone is gone. Notice what's still there, energy. As you reflect on the card, ask yourself, what am I holding on to that no longer serves? What is still there that I can appreciate or act upon? Let the imagery guide your reflection naturally. If you wish to dwell deeper in the realm of tarot, I recommend you watch the forecast for the other zodiac sign. See you on the other side. Full moon blessings to you.